Hey everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports. Today we have a 2020 Mercedes-Benz GLC 300 4MATIC for sale. This vehicle for purchase comes in a gray exterior, and we have a tan interior. Some nice wood grain and silver accents as well. We have heated seats, both driver and passenger, and memory seats here on the driver's side. Driver's seat with lumbar support. Steering wheel. Heated seats in the rear of the vehicle as well. And quick peek here up front. Coming around to the back, we have our GLC 300, Mercedes-Benz and 4MATIC badging, power opening and closing trunk, lots of storage space, and you can always fold down those rear seats there if you need a little extra storage. Push button to close. And hopping inside the vehicle. Mileage currently at 28,560. Do have a push button ignition. So this vehicle does have ambient lighting throughout, which is fully adjustable within the menu system. Currently we have our navigation pulled up here, radio, and backup camera. This is a touchscreen display, so of course you can actually just use the touchscreen like that. Here we can make adjustments to the ambient lighting, as I was mentioning. Multicolor, single color, different effects, all kinds of fun stuff you can play with here within the menu. You can also access the menu using the command module right down here. And we have climate controls here and our shifter. Now, if you're interested in additional information about this vehicle, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.